Guys, this is Aditya and Rahul from grade 7. Our project is electrolysis. Its purpose is to show cause and effect in relation to the book 3 Cups of Tea by Greg Mortensen.
We chose a science experiment because we both enjoy doing science and science experiments. We also saw that all the other groups were doing board games and wanted to do something different.
Our experiment relates to 3 cups of tea in this way. The electricity passes through the water and causes it to split into chlorine and hydrogen. If we assume Greg is the electricity, the water is the uneducated children, and the air bubbles are the educated, independent children, the story of 3 cups of tea is in place. Greg goes to the uneducated children. He educates the children and they become independent.
When the electricity is passed through the water, which is this electricity, it splits into hydrogen and chlorine gas. You might ask why it's chlorine and not oxygen. That's because when oxygen is exposed to the outside air, and it takes a second reaction with NaCl, which is salt, and forms chlorine gas. In real electrolysis, they use a different liquid. They don't use water. It has a higher concentration, so when electrolysis is taking place, hydrogen and oxygen actually split up, and the second reaction with oxygen doesn't happen.
Okay, now we're going to start the experiment.
So we have a bowl of water to take access. This is our switch to complete the circuit which we made. So now I'm going to complete the circuit.
There's a slight leak in the experiment, so.
Are you sure your switch works?
Yeah, it's working. Yeah, as you zoom in on this.
Great. Can you explain the connection between this and the
So basically, the electricity is Greg, and here is America, and he flies, and then here's Asko, and he makes the bridge to connect, and he gets to Corfe. After that, he goes to here and the school, and he goes to the school and teaches the people, the untaught children, and the bubbles that come out are the taught children.
If you could get into the specific of cause and effect, what is the cause and what is the
cut.
effect with reference to either 3 cups?
The cause in the scientific part is because the electricity is going through the water, it splits. So basically our cause and effect is because Greg accidentally landed in Corfe one day. He ended up building the school and a bridge and all of these things that help the people in Corfe, and he ended up teaching children, and they became independent and could get proper jobs.
And this would mostly be hydrogen because hydrogen is more in water, and in water it's H2. So that side is hydrogen because more of it's coming out, and this side would be chlorine.